All right. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the presentations. My name is Nick Nicolau, and today we're gonna present to you this project called AR Creation 2 by Adobe for building interactive AR experiences. More basically, basically, we're gonna talk about Adobe Aero. It's a tool when you can create those types of animations and other immersive technological applications using this. We're going to talk about also Unity in the next projects, which is a creation tool that you can create some games and other type of applications. Adobe Aero is one of them. So you can create those types of experiences using with augmented reality type of tool. Let's start with the overview. First of all, we have the introduction on Adobe Aero. It's the first part. So what's Adobe Aero? That's what we're gonna see. Secondly, we're gonna see the program interface, how we can see it, the features, tools, the Adobe Aero augmented reality in education, the benefits of this program, the conclusion, and also the references that we're going to see lastly after this presentation is complete. So let's start off with the introduction on the Adobe Aero. We have some basic questions. What is Adobe Aero? How do we use it? And if it's free? So Adobe Aero is a program that you can create some experiences with augmented reality, as you can see next in the picture to this slide. You can use on any device you want when the project is completed, and it's really easy to use with some exercise or some tutorial videos you can find on in the internet. So how this is how you can use it. You can see tutorials, as I said, using this tool, um, using any device, any type of device to create or to see your work with the augmented reality project that you created. And so it is free for some days or maybe months, but most of this product you have to purchase it with the whole Adobe package. If you would like to become a developer on the Adobe Aero, you have to purchase it if you use this tool full time. And so, what does this do actually? You can use this on any operating system. It's usable on Mac, iOS, and Windows. We will see this in the next slides. And you can use this to animate anything you want through this application, as I said on the first slide on the beginning. Let's go next to the program interface. As you can see from both of images, um, you can do different stuff. You can do lots of stuff actually in this application. You can adjust any object, any type of object, squares or anything you can put in this program. You can actually bring those types of objects or scenes or anything you add in the program to life, like a person or an subject, not an object, actually, not subject, I'm sorry. You can also share this project to other people to see or to rate it for more improvements if needed. And you can start after that, you can start new projects and you can preview those types of projects, as we said it, to other people to give a feedback to this type of tool you created or the project you created actually for the augmented reality and the virtual reality uh, project from Adobe Aero. So one important before we go to the subject, to the education actually in school, uh, you can see some tools and some features that are inside this application. You maybe have to download some plugins if you missing some parts. But with those types of plugins already installed in the program, you can optimize different types of file types like a PSD, which is from Photoshop. You can take from Photoshop anything you created and bring it to life with the Adobe Aero program. You can also bring to life other types of images and other type of files you can see, like JPEG files, object files, GLB, or FBX files. You can actually, that we said before, from the optimization, you can bring the assets from the Illustrator, the Adobe Illustrator, the Photoshop, CS5 or more, because CS4 actually you have to create more stuff and add more plugins to it. CS6 Photoshop is way better for some more plugins and any other stuff you want to use. And substance 3D stager, like you can create some 3D objects and 3D stuff you can bring easily to life, because 3D has multiple ways actually. I don't know, from the triangles and other stuff you can bring it easily to life. So let's go next to the AR in education. When you create the Adobe Aero project in augmented reality, you can use it in class, and you can incorporate when personalized game experiences. You can create some game-based learning, which is really important for school. Not only school, but you can also use it beyond class, outside the world. You can show it to people around the world. You can show it outside, not only in education. You can also use it for educational purposes outside of school. And in the education in school, you can improve with the learning environment, which is really important for students nowadays. When they use technology, it's really important to make them understand the right way of usage on the learning environment of these applications. Let's go next. So, what are the benefits of the Adobe Aero program? Uh, it's only all-in-one AR. You can use it as a only one AR. Actually, this is pretty helpful for the developers, which they have everything they need to create uh, all types of stuff in the uh, AR world from this application. You can easily design and develop because you have all the tools close to you. You don't have to do some lots of steps to make this design or develop. You have all the tools you needed on the starting of this program, and you can also interactive in real life with the immersive experiences. This one important thing about this program is you can also interact with this tool in real life. So that was it for all the benefits, the school usage and the introduction for this program. You can learn more stuff using this program through the internet. This is just some of them, some really important stuff of using this program. So we have the conclusion here. So what's the Adobe? What program is this? As we said in the introduction, it's really easy to use. As we said, it's easy to develop and to design using uh, this program, because you have any tool you need really close to you, and if you hover the mouse on top of it, it explains you what will this tool do, what it does actually. And in education, which is this is one of the most important stuff. That's why I use this in the conclusion section. It's you can improve the learning environment, which is really helpful not only on school and on in real life after the education in school. You can use this in the upper educational classes or even outside on your work, on your business to train your employees. It's really important part of this program that you can make. So let's go to the references. These are the two references I used. They are really really new, especially the first. It was created now in 2024 because Adobe expanding its programs, plugins, and other created. So lots of people created new plugins and uses for Adobe with new stuff, new experience, new plugins that you use with new ideas. So that's why I use this, the first one. The second one is somehow older, but it's not too old. It's 2021. So the first one is the art making generative aids to support the augmented reality learning designs using this program. And the second of all, it's the immersive media to develop the most intuitive way to build an interactive animated augmented reality for product designs into LGD. So these are the two references I used. It helped me a lot to create this project using those types of references. You can also check them out. And that was the presentation. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this presentation as well. Next, in the next presentation, we're gonna see about the Unity tool, which they are more and more deeply for games and other types of stuff, usually games. No, why not on movies as well? So thank you again for watching, and I will see you next time with the next presentation. Goodbye.